Today we will discuss how to scan your Windows 11 10 system, and there are 7 ways to scan your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can scan your system for any viruses, malware attacks by 7 methods. First one is chkdsk. It will scan your drive. SFC scan now, it will check corrupted files in your system. DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. These three are DISM tools. Now we will see how to execute these all tools. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows run as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute this command one by one. First we will see chkdsk command. It will scan your drive and replace C with your actual drive later. CDE, any drive which you want to scan, so simply execute this command in command prompt Windows and press enter. If you press such, then the driver, the path or the file name is not valid. You should execute this command. After C, put the double dot. After that, execute this command. Without double dot, it will not function, and press enter, and the type of the file system is NTFS, and wait for some time. It will scan your drive. So scan your system one by one drive for C, D or other hard drive. You can also scan this by through File Explorer. Go to this PC and right click on your drive which you want to scan and choose its properties. Thereafter, from the top menu bar, go to Tools, choose Tools from the top menu bar, and Error Checking. This option will check the drive for file system errors. Click on Check. You don't need to scan this drive. We have not found any errors on this drive. You can still scan the drive for errors if you want. Choose a scan drive. This is the alternate method other than command prompt Windows. The next one is execute SFC scan now command to check any corrupted files in your system. SFC scan now command will check your file system, and if any corrupted files found, it will repair them accordingly. So execute this command. Beginning system scan. This process will take some time, so wait for some time till 100% verification completed. The another way is right click on a start button and go to Windows settings. You can also press Win key plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here go to privacy and security from the left side. Thereafter choose Windows security from the right side. Here choose virus and threat protection. Click on it, and here click on scan options, and a lot of scan options you will find: quick scan, full scan, customized scan, Microsoft Defender, antivirus, offline scan. So choose full scan and finally choose scan now, and let the window complete the scanning procedure. It will take some times, wait for some times. Now we will execute DISM tool. These three DISM tool execute one by one. First DISM tool for DISM online scan health. Simply copy this and paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter. It will take some times. Deployment image servicing and management tools, and wait for some times until 100% verification completed. The operation completed successfully. You will message receive. The next one is DISM online check health. Execute this command in command prompt Windows and wait for some time till 100% completed. The third one is DISM online restore health. execute this command and press enter and let the window complete the process. It will also take some time till 100%. Wait for some time. After that, restart your system. Your system will fully scan by